Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start from question number 6, chapter number 1. What was the code of Hammurabi? Explain its importance. In its answer, we will describe code of Hammurabi and its importance. Now open page number 3. The answer of question number 6 starts from this line, code of Hammurabi. With the passage of time, city-states developed in the Mesopotamian region and had their own laws. With the passage of time, Mesopotamian civilization developed into city-states and these city-states had their own laws. The most famous of these is the Code of Hammurabi. The most famous of these laws was the Code of Hammurabi. What is code? Code means a systematic collection of laws. Who was Hammurabi? A Babylonian ruler who ruled around 1700 BCE. Hammurabi was a Babylonian ruler who ruled around 1700 BCE. He made laws for his kingdom. Hammurabi made laws for his kingdom and had them inscribed in cuneiform script. What is cuneiform script? Cuneiform script is a system of writing on a huge stone tablet. Tablet means takhti. Here you can see it is tablet with cuneiform writing. This is cuneiform writing. Hammurabi made laws for his kingdom and had written them in cuneiform script on a huge stone tablet. These laws were very strict. The laws which were made by Hammurabi were very strict, बहुत सख्त थे. But unfortunately, they did not apply fairly to everyone. लेकिन बदकिस्मती से जो कवानीन हम्मुराबी ने बनाए थे वो हर एक पे इंसाफ के साथ अप्लाई नहीं हुए. द रिच एंड पावरफुल पीपल गोट अ लाइटर पनिशमेंट देन द पुअर वंस. अमीर और ताकतवर लोगों को गलती करने पे कम सज़ा दी जाती और गरीबों को गलती करने पे ज़्यादा सज़ा दी जाती. इसी वजह से ये कहा गया है कि जो कवानीन हम्मुराबी ने बनाए थे वो इंसाफ के साथ हर एक पे अप्लाई नहीं हुए. Let's see question number 7. Name the language of the Mesopotamians and explain its importance in history. In its answer, we will describe about the language of the Mesopotamians and its importance in history. The answer of question number 7 is language of the Mesopotamians. The Mesopotamian language was known as Sumerian and the script was called cuneiform. The Mesopotamian language was known as Sumerian and their writing script was called cuneiform. Now I tell you importance of the Mesopotamian language. The Mesopotamian language played a very important role. Without language, the Sumerians could not have been able to leave behind the accounts of their times and we could not have known so much about them. What is account? A report or description of an event. Without language, the Sumerians could not have been able to leave behind the descriptions of their times, to leave behind the details of their times and we could not have known so much about them. Let's see question number 8. Who was Nebuchadnezzar and why is he famous? Now open page number 4. The answer of question number 8 starts from this line. Nebuchadnezzar, the Babylonian ruler in the 6th century BCE, was famous for the construction of the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. What is wonder? Something remarkable in the world. Who was Nebuchadnezzar? Nebuchadnezzar was the Babylonian ruler in the 6th century BCE. Why was he famous? He was famous for the construction of the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, which was one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. I hope you will be understand. Allah Hafiz.